Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by opening shortcuts and confirming your iPhone meets iOS requirements. Once done, you'll pick the trigger. Tap Automation, choose Create Personal Automation, then select Charger or CarPlay depending on how you plug in. You're doing this now to tie the plug event to speech. Make sure you've drafted the exact phrase you want Siri to say and set the phone volume so you can hear the test. Keep eyes on the screen. The next step is adding actions. Next, add the action that makes Siri talk. Tap Add Action, choose Scripting, then speak text. Enter the phrase you want Siri to say when the phone is plugged in. You can also insert a variable if you want dynamic text. Once added, tap Show More to fine-tune voice, rate, pitch, and language so it sounds natural. Make sure the action order has speak text first if you add others, and check that it plays audio rather than just showing a banner. Finalize by disabling Ask before running so the automation runs automatically. Then tap Done. Test immediately by plugging your phone in and listening for the spoken phrase. If you don't hear it, make sure Do Not Disturb or Silent Mode isn't blocking audio, check volume, and confirm Shortcuts has permission to run automations. If Siri still doesn't speak, open the automation, toggle it off and on, and run it manually to view.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.